So many activities going on this weekend that I'm glad that the weather's going to cooperate. Now, one of those activities may be skiing and boarding for you. And yes, up at Loveland Ski Area, snow day on Sunday. We have a storm system coming in from the west, and we have a chance for a little bit of snow here in Denver, but it looks like that'll be just very light amounts and Sunday night into Monday. Our current temperatures in the 20s and 30s, still a little warmer to the south, 45 in Centennial, 42 in Highlands Ranch and in Castle Rock, but 20s up toward Fort Collins. Now this satellite radar picture looks nice. It's nice and quiet, a few high clouds pushing on through, otherwise very dry, but not for long. We have a Sunday storm moving in. It's coming through the west coast now and we'll be headed this direction. So we already have a winter weather advisory for most of our mountain towns here west of the divide. 6 to 10 inches of snowfall from midnight until 9 a.m. on Monday morning. You'll also notice some colored in areas here for Fort Collins. That's a dense fog advisory until 9 a.m. So if you're anywhere from Fort Collins to Greeley back toward Hoyt, it looks like the visibilities will be lower in those areas. As for highs today, into the low 50s from Aurora to Littleton, up into Denver, 55 for our afternoon high today with those partly cloudy skies. So that sunshine helping to melt off the ice that has been around for about a week. Temperatures in the 50s right now from Montclair to Inglewood, 54 for DU and 53 for Broomfield. And our hourly planner taking us up into the 50s once we hit about lunchtime, and then we drop it back into the 40s by the time we get to about 5 o'clock with those partly cloudy skies. Our lows by tomorrow morning around 30 degrees, very similar to what we've had this morning. Our temperatures in the upper 20s, low 30s here across the Front Range. We'll have partly cloudy skies tonight as well. Now, what we'll see is this storm coming in from the west, and we'll start to see an increase in cloud cover for the mountains by 9 o'clock tonight. Now, until we get till tomorrow morning, that's when we see the snowfall headed from Eagle to Aspen down toward Telluride and Gunnison. You'll notice at 8 a.m. Sunday morning, it's dry here from Denver on eastward, and that'll be the case through most of the day Sunday as it continues to snow up in the high country, which is why we have that winter weather advisory. Here in Denver, though, we don't see that chance for snow until probably after 11 o'clock Sunday night into early Monday morning. And you even see Monday morning, looks like most of it is starting to fall apart. Our 7-day forecast keeping us in the 50s for Saturday and Sunday. This chance for snow doesn't show up until about 11 o'clock at night and then lasts into early morning Monday. And that high Monday, only 38 degrees. You'll need to bundle up that day. Then we're back in the 40s here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And look at that, a 50-degree temperature arrives back on the forecast by the time we get to Friday.
Okay, not a bad 7-day.